If you are not clear, your mind is overworking. It wanders in too many directions. It starts questioning all of the things that you are doing. It's overthinking. It's working too hard. We work hard enough as it is. What's actually happening is that you are creating more problems without having the clarity that you need. Today's card in the simple clarity is simple clarity in the Oracle of the Lake deck. Look at how simple things feel in this card, tapping into that energy. It shows up, this card, when you are creating problems because you don't have a simple best next step and you're overthinking the strategy and saying, well, what if? Why not? There are absolutely times to go into the what ifs. Let me go here, let me go there. But not right here when this card reveals itself. It's creating too many demands on you, right? And we are here for creating an internal shift, using that mindset that simple clarity will bring you. When it's necessary, we use this card to reinforce things and stop over complicating them. How to get clear on the next step and to simplify things, right? There is a company out there that has an easy button. This is what we're looking for so that we don't have to overwork and overthink. It's a mindset realignment that's necessary. So read the description below to get more information and more insight and explore the link about the entire Oracle of the Lake deck because it allows simple clarity through personal self reflection. I'll see you in the next